Typical air filter is going to be changed every 30 days. There are advanced filtration systems that can range anywhere from once every 3 to 6 months. In a perfect world, we recommend a media filtration system. That's going to allow you to run a higher MERV rating. That's going to help you trap more particles, but also give the system the air it needs to breathe and operate properly. The filter that you put in your system does matter. It's going to affect the way that your equipment operates. A lot of people think it's just there to clean the air, which it is, but it's also there to protect your equipment. So the higher the MERV rating, the more restrictive it's going to be on your system. And if you're not designed to handle that restriction, it could cause problems and expenses in repairing your equipment. If you want to know if you have the right filter in your system, you could easily give your HVAC professional a call and ask them what they would suggest for your equipment. A standard 1-inch filter we'd recommend for a basic system is going to be a MERV 8 pleated air filter. If you found this information helpful, please give us a like. And if you have any questions about your home or your equipment, please drop a comment below and we'll try to feature it in our next video.